What's the meaning of bon vivant? Bon vivant. Bon vivant.
Bon vivant. Bon vivant. The term bon vivant is a French phrase that refers to someone who enjoys the good things in life, particularly when it comes to food and drink. A bon vivant is someone who appreciates gourmet meals, fine wines, and luxurious experiences. They often have a sophisticated palate and are knowledgeable about the finer things in life. Being a bon vivant is about indulging in life's pleasures and enjoying the company of others who share their passion for all things decadent. Overall, a bon vivant embodies the idea of living life to the fullest and relishing in all of the sensory pleasures that the world has to offer.